Another client from Apalit. Si ma'am ay magpapa-treatment and color sana. But because of her damaged hair, sinuggest ko na lang na magpa-protein treatment muna. Once her hair condition, pwede na po naming i-color. Good thing, she agreed to my suggestion. Kaya po, inumpisahan na namin ang pag-a-apply ng protein straight treatment by Royal Blend. Binabad ko po ng 1 hour yung treatment sa hair ni ma'am. And after that, binabanlawan, blow dry, and we proceeded for the plancha. And as you can see, nagkaroon ng booster ang kanyang damaged hair. Although it cannot be done in one application, kaya dapat po na masundan pa itong treatment na to hanggang sa makondisyon na po ang hair ni mama. Thank you so much, Miss Les of Apalit, for trusting Iris Beauty and Wellness Hub. Sa mga gusto pong magpa-appointment, PM lang po kayo sa aming FB page, Iris Beauty and Wellness Hub. Thank you for watching this video.